When David Winter started out, auto mechanics got rid of liquid leftovers in all kinds of ways.
A lot of it, I think, got poured straight down the drain. I think a lot of it got used for weed killer, coolant just dumped in the parking lot.
This is how West Seattle's Swedish Auto does it these days.
All of our gardens are kept organically. We don't let any chemicals be used on them. Those are our solar panels up there. We make about 12% of our energy out of solar power, which is wonderful.
The system is just run off of rainwater that we collect.
They collect rainwater using an average 8,000 gallons a month.
If we get a car in with a rainwater leak and we want to try to determine where the leak is coming from, we can now soak it with Seattle rain rather than city water. All the cars are hand washed in this bay, and all of the rainwater goes into this catch basin, and then it goes underground to an oil water separator.
Like many auto shops in town, parts are now cleaned a better way.
Hit a button, turns on, washes the parts. And then this also is pumped out every 2 or 3 years, and the fluid is taken to a recycling facility as well.
Used fluids, rags, and parts are hauled away or recycled and reused on site.
This is the one garbage can we have for the entire facility. That's all we produce every week.
Swedish Auto has low-flow loos, and its work bays are heated with old motor oil.
We have a waste oil boiler that actually heats water that's pumped through the floors. If this were to be punctured, it's a double wall tank, so the oil can't actually get out.
Swedish Auto has King County's highest EnviroStars rating. So does Bernie's Auto, where reusable seat and floor protectors have replaced the plastic versions they used to throw away after each use. About 30 Seattle area auto-related businesses are EnviroStars certified, one of few clues for car owners.
I mean, the bottom line is anybody can call themselves green car care.
EnviroStars program manager Laurel Tomczyk says giving an auto shop a good eyeball helps decide if they are truly trying to be green.
If you see leaking that looks like it is coming out from the shop, out into the public areas, out into the driveway areas, that would be a concern.
Ask about their environmental measures.
Just asking those questions gives them a chance to give you a good answer or have no answer, and that's a clue.
Unfortunately, once you've found good green car care, the one thing very hard to find, green car parts.
Green car parts, I would say, isn't really a thing. About the only thing that we can really help with is brake pads.
Washington was the first state to require less toxic brake pads, and Winters is liking them.
Because they just basically don't wear.
A recent visit to an out-of-town auto shop made him realize just how much greener Emerald City Car Care really is.
I don't think they even recycle paper down there.
And he says they probably don't even know what they are missing.
We're a wildlife habitat. We've actually put in some birdhouses, so every year we'll raise 3 or 4 little families of birds, which is great fun to watch.
Watch CityStream Thursday nights at 7 on the Seattle Channel, or get video on demand and podcasts anytime at seattlechannel.org.